Hello viewers, welcome back to my video. In this race live video, I am going to show you the performance of 𝐷𝐵𝐴𝐴𝐴, how our software support in stock trading. As you know that our software support all major financial market, and you can use it for intraday trading, scalping trading, long term and short term trading, and it's all working with the real time data. There is no delay in the data, it's real time tick by tick data. And software gives automatic signals, but we don't need to take all the signals. First we have to check the confirmation of the signal. If the signal is confirmed, then only we can take the position. So I just opened this 𝐷𝐵𝐴𝐴 chart and its future chart, and I set the time frame 5 minutes, and you can see currently the market value is 692.15. that is a real time market value of 𝐷𝐵𝐴𝐴, and this white vertical line, that is daybreak line, and this red down arrow is a sell signal and green up arrow is a buy signal. So these are the automatic signals. So whenever software generates a signal, at the same time the alert message will comes with the sound effect. In that alert message, we'll get the entry point, at what level you have to buy and sell. It's the entry point will get in this alert message. The same details also display in the above dashboard. In 𝐷𝐵𝐴𝐴, we got the sell signal at 940, and the price is 693.65, and currently you can see the profit and loss 1.65 points. Actually currently market is slightly going up, and you can see in the status all target has been achieved. But software gives, as you know that software gives signals, the automatic signals. But before taking that position, you have to check the confirmation of the signal. If the signal is confirmed, then only we can take that position. For checking the confirmation is very easy. If it is sell signal, the first confirmation you have to check here on below dashboard. You will show here like price in sales, and that is the first confirmation. If it is a sell signal, on below dashboard it will show like a price in sales, and that is the first confirmation. And the second confirmation you have to check on below this arrow, there is a bar is here, that is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. If it is sell signal, then the bar should be in red color. So you have to check only two confirmation. First the signal will come. After that you have to check the confirmation. The first confirmation price in sell zone, and the second confirmation below the arrow, the bar. The bar should be in the same color. If it is sell signal, then the bar should be in a red color. So it's very easy, and if these two confirmations are okay, then you can directly take the position. So once we enter in the market, on below dashboard you can see that stop loss will display here, and it's a trailing stop loss, and the left side of stop loss you can see target 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 targets. So as per this signal, we got a signal here, and the confirmation we got in around this candle, we got the confirmation. So we can enter with this candle. We can enter with this candle because on that time the on below bar convert to red color, and the price is also in sell zone. So you can enter with the market level. So then stop loss you can follow the same stop loss because it's a trailing stop loss. And you can see these red stars are here, and on below there is a blue stars are here. That is a resistance and support level. Currently you can see there is a line is going, that red and green line, that is a trend line. This green line indicating the uptrend, and red line indicating the downtrend of the market. Currently the market is slightly going up, but it's on below, if you check on below dashboard, is still showing price in sell zone. So there is a chance market again will go down. And you can see in between this candle there is a different candles are forming. Now normal candles colors are red and green. So apart from these two colors, some different multicolors are there, like orange, light blue, empty candles and white candles. So these are the indication of sideways. If the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of these bars. So it's very easy. You can identify the sideways market and resistance support levels also show in the chart, and there is no delay in the data. It's real time tick by tick data, and the same strategy you can use it for MCX, NSE cash, future options, currencies, agri, comics and forex, and scalping, intraday, long term, post term trading is also, you can as per your need you can just change the time frame. As per, if you are intraday trader, you can follow 5 minutes, 5 or 15 for intraday. Normally we are using 5 minutes for intraday, and for scalping 1 minute, and for short term trading 30 minutes or 1 hour, and for long term trading you can use a D1 daily, weekly or monthly chart. And Right now you are watching our running version 8.1. With that there is a scanner will come. There is a scanner 1.2 version will comes with free with that 8.1, and soon we will release our new version, that is our 10th version, and there is a new scanner is there 1.3 version, that is our auto scanner. So we are charging only one time payment. All updations are free for our customer. There is no updation charge, means our update versions are updates are free for our customers, and we are giving a full lifetime support also. And right now you are I'm giving a live demonstration of our software. So if you are interested to know more about our software, and if you are interested to check the live demo, you can directly contact me. My number is displayed in the below dashboard. You can see my number, and that's the official number. You can call or you can WhatsApp me, and the website details also shown in the below dashboard, www.wintradersoft.com. And in that there is a reviews page is there. Don't forget to check our reviews page. And if you are interested to check our live demo or want to know more about our software, you just directly contact me. And thank you for watching my video.